everyone, welcome back to Crypto World. Today we'll be covering the Gods token. Previous video I made some predictions about looking out for patterns to go or watch out for a drop, and I will just say that it's quite unfortunate. I'm going to get rid of the go line. We have actually followed the pattern of descent, really. So what I will say for Gods is, over the last day, we've had 1, 2, 3, and realistically our 4th attempt to go and launch out of here, and each time we've been held, pulled back. We have back tested 786 on 1, 2, 3 occasions. Just bring up the Ishimoku, see where we are. So yeah, just put that in the hour. So what's been going on here? So essentially we've been getting rejected by the cloud. Now, I do see 2 possibilities for us to break free with ease. One would be into the cloud, sideways and gone. And the other one would be that we descend. Actually, let me delete that. What would realistically happen here? Here we'd probably look at being rejected again, down, capitulate, bounce off 786 one last time, up to the cloud, realistically into it, and then up, sideways, and go. So I'm going to mark that red, so I don't see that one playing out. I'll mark this one green, because I do think we're about to go. Okay, so I do think on our next attempt of getting through the cloud, we'll be away and gone, possibly with a tiny bit of sideways action before we have a moonshot. Again, if that doesn't work and we get rejected, I think we'll sit under the cloud before we come up into it in a weak spot and then through. As you can see here, we have got quite a flat zone, which is, you could define that as an open door. And then what to look for in a negative, if we get rejected and don't hold the 786, what we'd be looking for is probably a bounce up, down, bounce up, and then we'd literally fall off, lose support, retest. If that doesn't hold, it would be something like that, and we'd be gone for a period of I'd say a few days before we start to retest. Mark that amber, because it's a slim possibility. I would say that us being rejected and dipping below is more probable than us not moonshotting out of here. So I am looking for a moonshot. I've gone back over and looked at previous days and ways that we have sort of made our moves that have seen the highs, and essentially is from being stuck under the cloud, a move just above it, bounce off, and then we're gone. So yeah, sorry it's not more positive, guys, but I will say for Gods that if it's going to go, it's going to go now. And we'll probably have 1 or 2 hours of price action straight to the upside, which could take us realistically to the 6 zone, which if we do moonshot, I would expect to see us here. In a 2 hour, within 2 hours. Why are you not letting me draw? Here we go. So yeah, price target of $6 following a 2 hour pump. Otherwise, I'm not hopeful for us holding the 786. So guys, just to look, if you are in on this, it's not financial advice, but if you are in, you can realistically, if we drop below 786 and take a dip, we will draw back. I would advise that that would be your sell point, because the next resistance once we've lost 786, is back down towards the $3 mark. We might have a slow descent, but I'd say that rather than holding, bounce all the way back up, might be best just to sell. Wait for the next low, which obviously there'd be videos from me to follow suit to advise where that would be, and I'll look for some resistance zones, which could be a buying opportunity. So yeah, watch this one closely. It's the new year. We need some new movement, and fingers crossed over the next few hours we'll see that as a nice moonshot. All right, take care.